Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I will be sharing with you the step-by-step process to make 100% pure neem powder at home. Neem is a miraculous plant known for its numerous benefits, which ranges from skincare and gardening. By making neem powder from scratch, you will be sure that it is natural and free from any additives. So you can prepare the neem leaves, dry them and grind them into a fine powder. It's as simple as that. If you want to know, please continue watching. So here I have a bunch of neem leaves which I just plucked it from the tree which is outside my house. This is easily available neem leaves. You can purchase from market also. Otherwise, usually in the roadside there will be these plants planted by the government. You can just pluck it and use it. So I have plucked it a little bit of these leaves along with those stems. So it had already drained and the leaves were washed. Therefore, I have not washed it. I have left it to dry like that. So it has dried for a day, and this is how it looks. You can dry it in the shade for a day and keep it in the sun for at least half an hour so that it dries up crisp. So here that is what I have done. The leaves are dry and crisp. So I have kept the stalk or the stem as it is because I don't want the leaves to fly off because of the wind when I keep it in the sun. Therefore I had retained the stems. So after drying it is quite crisp and it looks like this. So you have to separate the stalks from the leaves, and for to do that you just have to squeeze it and the leaves will just fall off from the stem. So you can just use little bit of pressure to tap the leaves. Because it is dry, it will just drop off from the stem. So here the dry leaves are ready, and if you find any small twigs or any other dirt, you can remove it, and you can store this as it is if you want. Since I am making powder, I am going to grind it. Storing leaves will take up space, therefore storing powder is best. So here I have got a plate full of these dry leaves, and I have taken a clean mixer jar. It should be dry. You have to wipe it dry, and just drop all these leaves, dry leaves, and grind it into fine powder. The powder is ready. Since it will not be as fine as you would want, you can just sieve it using a filter. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. Since if you are using it for a face pack or anything fine, then you need to sieve it, because all those unwanted leaves which are remaining should be removed. So the powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container. Keep it in the refrigerator. Use it whenever you want. You can store this in the refrigerator for as long as the leaves will last. This powder will last. So the 100% pure, natural, without any additives neem powder is ready. You can use it as a face pack. You can use it for your hair if you have dandruff, pimples. These neem powder, you can just add it in your face packs and hair packs and use it whenever you want. This will 100% show you results. So try this method and see. Try working out on natural things and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.